Picture an island nation brimming with diversity and bursting with a rich cultural heritage. Welcome to Sri Lanka, a paradise where pristine beaches meet lush tea plantations, where ancient ruins whisper tales of old and vibrant cities pulse with life. It's a land that offers a myriad of attractions, each one more captivating than the last. Today, we're about to count down the top 10 destinations that capture the essence of this enchanting island. So buckle up as we embark on a virtual journey through the top 10 must-visit destinations in Sri Lanka. We start our countdown at number 10 with the captivating Sigiriya. This ancient rock fortress is a remarkable spectacle that astonishes visitors with its grandeur and complexity. Nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka, Sigiriya is a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Sinhalese civilization. This majestic fortress was built over 1,500 years ago atop a massive column of rock nearly 200 meters high. It is renowned for its unique features, such as the colossal Lion's Paw Gateway, a marvel of ancient engineering that inspires awe and wonder. The fortress walls are adorned with exquisite frescoes, painted with such precision that they have withstood the test of time. These artworks offer a glimpse into the regal lifestyle of the ancient Sinhalese royalty. Sigiriya is not just a place, it's an experience, an immersion into a time when art, architecture, and nature existed in perfect harmony. A visit to Sigiriya is like stepping back in time, a true testament to Sri Lanka's rich history. Scene script. Coming in at number 9, we have the stunning coastal town of Bentota. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Sri Lanka, Bentota is a slice of tropical paradise. Its pristine beaches stretch out like an endless ribbon of gold, kissed by the frothy blue waves of the Indian Ocean. Here, the sunsets paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, providing a mesmerizing backdrop to the tranquil beach life. But Bentota is more than just beautiful beaches. It's a hub for water sports enthusiasts. From jet skiing to windsurfing, the opportunities for aquatic adventures are plentiful, offering a thrilling contrast to the otherwise serene surroundings. No visit to Bentota would be complete without a leisurely boat ride on the Bentota River. Draped in mangroves, the river winds its way through the town, offering a different, more tranquil perspective of this beach paradise. Bentota is a haven for beach lovers and a must-visit for anyone seeking a tranquil escape. At number 8 on our list, we find ourselves in the picturesque tea country of Nuwara Eliya. This enchanting town is nestled amidst the teal-green hills of Sri Lanka's highlands, where the air is cool, crisp, and refreshing. Nuwara Eliya, often referred to as Little England, is a testament to its British colonial past, with charming Tudor-style homes, well-manicured hedgerows and beautiful gardens, such as the renowned Galle Botanical Gardens. Yet the true allure lies in the sprawling tea plantations that paint the hills in 50 shades of green. Here you can take a stroll through the lush fields, learn about the intricate process of tea making, and even participate in the tea picking. The reward for your labor? A steaming cup of the world's finest tea, enjoyed against a backdrop of breathtaking scenery. Nuwara Eliya is a charming escape, a place where you can sip on some of the world's finest tea amid breathtaking scenery. Number 7 takes us to the sacred city of Anuradhapura. This ancient metropolis is a testament to Sri Lanka's rich past, a cradle of history nestled in the heartland of the island. As one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, Anuradhapura is brimming with well-preserved ruins that echo the grandeur of ancient Lankan civilization. The city was once the center of Theravada Buddhism, and its influence is still felt today. Amidst the labyrinth of ancient brick structures, the city is home to the revered Sri Maha Bodhi tree, believed to have been grown from a cutting of the very same tree under which Buddha found enlightenment. This sacred fig tree is considered the oldest living human-planted tree in the world, a living link to Buddha himself. The city's vast network of stupas, ornate sculptures, and intricate carvings give a glimpse into its glorious past. Anuradhapura is a place of profound spirituality and historical grandeur, a must-visit for history and culture enthusiasts. Halfway through our countdown at number 6, we have the vibrant capital city, Colombo. This bustling metropolis is a fascinating blend of the contemporary and the colonial, where soaring skyscrapers sit side by side with charming old-world buildings. Colombo is home to a plethora of landmarks, each with its own unique story to tell. From the Independence Memorial Hall, a symbol of Sri Lanka's freedom, to the Gangaramaya Temple, a beacon of spiritual tranquility, Colombo's landmarks are as diverse as they are captivating. Shopping enthusiasts will find themselves spoilt for choice in Colombo, with its vast array of markets and shopping centres, offering everything from traditional handicrafts to high-end fashion. As the sun sets, the city comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene that promises an unforgettable experience. And let's not forget the street food. From the tantalizingly spicy kottu roti to the sweet and creamy watalapam, Colombo's streets are a gastronomic paradise waiting to be explored. Colombo's blend of old and new, its bustling energy and culinary delights make it an unmissable destination in Sri Lanka. Coming in at number 5, we have the unique jungle beach in Trincomalee, a gem on the east coast of Sri Lanka. Nestled within a secluded cove, Trincomalee offers a pristine beach experience unlike any other. Imagine lounging on golden sands as the warm turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean lap at your feet. The air is filled with the soft whispers of the ocean and the distant calls of tropical birds. But what makes Trincomalee truly stand out is its unique blend of beach and jungle. As you venture further inland, the beach gives way to a dense jungle, teeming with diverse flora and fauna. It's like stepping into a different world, where the sounds of the ocean are replaced by the rustling of leaves and the chattering of monkeys. This unspoiled paradise offers a tranquil escape from the bustling world. Trincomalee is the perfect mix of sun, sand and wildlife, a tropical paradise in its purest form. At number 4, we arrive at the enchanting maritime city of Galle. This city is a treasure trove of history and culture, boasting a rich tapestry of Dutch colonial buildings that whisper tales of bygone eras. Every corner of Galle tells a story, but none quite as captivating as the iconic Galle Fort. This UNESCO World Heritage Site stands as a testament to the city's colonial past, its sturdy walls bearing the marks of history, while offering breathtaking views of the azure Indian Ocean. As you wander through the maze-like streets of the fort, you'll find yourself surrounded by a delightful blend of architecture, culture, and history. Galle is not just about the past. It's a city that beautifully marries history with the vibrancy of the present. The city's charm extends to the picturesque views of the Indian Ocean, where the sun meets the sea in a dazzling display of nature's palette. Galle is a city where time stands still, a place where history and natural beauty converge. Our countdown brings us to the number 3 spot, the wildlife haven of Yala National Park. Spanning a vast region in the southeast of Sri Lanka, this park is a melting pot of diverse habitats, from dense jungles to open grasslands and sandy beaches. The true stars of Yala, however, are its residents. This park is home to the highest concentration of leopards in the world, making it a prime spot for witnessing these elusive cats in their natural habitat. But it doesn't stop there. Elephants, sloth bears, and a myriad of other species roam the park, each playing their part in the ecosystem. And for birdwatchers, Yala is a paradise. With over 200 recorded bird species, including the flamboyant peacock and the rare black-necked stork, the park is a symphony of sights and sounds. For those seeking a thrilling safari experience, Yala offers game drives, where the wild comes to life right before your eyes. For wildlife lovers and adventure seekers, Yala National Park offers an unforgettable journey into the wild. At number 2, we have the majestic city of Kandy, nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country. Kandy is a city that vibrates with cultural richness and historical significance. It is home to the revered Temple of the Tooth, where it is said that a tooth of the Buddha himself is enshrined. This temple is not just a beautiful sight to behold, but a spiritual epicenter that attracts devotees from near and far. Every year, Kandy comes alive with the vibrant Isala Perahera festival, a grand spectacle of dancers, drummers, and lavishly decorated elephants. It's a celebration that truly encapsulates the spirit of this splendid city. But Kandy is not all about the hustle and bustle. The serene Kandy Lake, lying placidly in the city centre, provides a tranquil escape. Its calm waters mirror the city's charm, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the city's vibrancy. Kandy is a city that exudes a timeless charm, a place where tradition and beauty reign supreme. And finally, at the top of our list, the crown jewel of Sri Lanka, the breathtaking Yala, a place where the stunning landscapes seem to be painted by a divine hand. Yala is nestled amidst verdant hills, cascading waterfalls, and emerald tea plantations, offering an unparalleled spectacle of nature at its finest. A postcard-worthy highlight of Yala is the iconic Nine-Arch Bridge, an architectural marvel that stands tall amidst lush foliage, a testament to the ingenuity of past generations. The tea trails here are not just paths, but journeys into the heart of Sri Lanka's tea culture, taking you through vast estates where the aroma of fresh tea leaves fills the air. Then there's the picturesque train journey to Yala, often described as one of the most scenic train rides in the world. As you traverse through misty mountains and rolling tea fields, every turn offers a new vista to capture your heart. Yala is the epitome of natural beauty, a place that will leave you spellbound and longing for more. And that brings us to the end of our Sri Lankan odyssey. From the enchanting Sigiriya to the beach paradise of Bentota, the tea country of Nuwara Eliya to the sacred city of Anuradhapura, let's not forget the vibrant capital Colombo, the jungle beach of Trincomalee, the maritime city of Galle, the wildlife hub of Yala National Park, the majestic Kandy, and the crown jewel Yala. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, a beach bum, or a city slicker, Sri Lanka has something for everyone. So when are you planning your Sri Lankan adventure?